Hi, I'm Jerry, and I do a lot with electrical and plumbing work. And I was just sent these wire strippers from Tesmen, and I'm pretty excited to show you this product. This is a non-contact voltage, self-adjusting wire cutter that is made of quality high carbon steel. It has an anti-slip handle and a lot of built-in features that standard wire strippers just don't have. Inside you've got your instruction guide, and this is pretty stout because it goes over all the different multi-tools that this thing can do here. It can crimp, it can cut. Some of the neatest features of this, though, aside from the fact that it is an amazing quality, I can tell by feeling it, these handles, non-slip grip. It is a self-adjusting. When you feed a wire in, it automatically will grab a hold of the wire and pull the wire through to strip it. It'll actually go anywhere from 10 gauge to 24 gauge wire. One of the neat features when you're up here at the top, if you slide a wire in, it will clamp down and make contact with that wire as it strips the wire. And as it makes contact, if the wire is live, it will alert you with lights and sound to let you know that there is still current in the line. That's pretty impressive. You also have wire crimpers down here as well as a wire cutter right there built in. They can make contact to cut your line. It's a pretty impressive little tool. I like it a lot.